So my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, and other holidays are events that we like to entertain. And everything has to be perfect. That includes our silverware. To make them shiny, it takes time, plus harsh chemicals are normally used. I have a way of doing it that takes just 10 minutes with next to no effort. So my friends, let's check it out. You'll see how easy it is. First, we'll line a bowl with foil. I like to go all the way up on the sides. Then we'll pour in boiling water, not tap water, okay? Followed by baking soda or, believe it or not, laundry detergent. We'll now place our silver or silverware in it, making sure it touches the aluminum foil and is covered completely with water. I'm a little short here. There, now it's covered. Because I added another cup of water, I need to add another tablespoon of baking soda, and I explain further on the blog, so check it out. When we take a closer look at it, we can see the tarnish coming off the lid and floating on the surface. The reaction is almost instantaneous. Still, we'll let it soak for 10 minutes. In most cases, it's enough. But if it's really bad, let it soak an extra 5 minutes or repeat the process. When time is up, this is how nice it looks. So the next step is to rinse it underwater, lukewarm preferably, and buff it with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. And you're done. I have a set of two, so this is before and after. Incredible, isn't it? It's quick and effortless, giving you more time to get ready for your guests. As you saw in this video, without using any harsh chemicals, you can have your silverware looking like new again in 10 minutes. Awesome! I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!